Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar, OneRepublic Hurts. That's the song I'm gonna look at. And I liked really this song, and the music video especially took me back some 25 years ago when I grew up in the mid-90s with the skateboarding and all the skaters all around. So a nice video there. And a nice song as well, Hurts. Let's take a look at this one. We don't need any capo for this, all right? We're going clean. Only 3 chord, guys, so very easy. 3 chords, D, B minor, and G. That's what we need. So we're gonna start with D first. All right, so there you have open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have B minor next. It's a bar chord where you play the bar on the 2nd fret. You don't have to bar the last E string if you don't want to, but the 5 strings below you have to, and then you need to go and push the 4th D, 4th G, and 3rd B. And there you have the B minor. And then you have the G left. So that's the final chord we need to learn, and that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, so we're gonna look at the strumming pattern, and we need to divide it into 2 different parts, but we're gonna learn the full one now. So we're gonna start with the part 1, and if you grab the D chord, that's the first chord. The first part will be down, up, down, up. Okay? So very easy. And the part 2 will be clap, up, down, up. That's it. So if you put these 2 parts together, it will be down, up, clap, up, down, up. Okay, so a couple rounds. All right. So we have this only one chord progression that goes in the same way through the entire song, and that will be D, 4 full rounds, okay? So down, up, clap, up, down, up, times 4. Then you go to B minor and play 3 full rounds. And then you go to G and play just part 1, the down, up, and then back to D and play part 1, down, up. So it both starts and ends on D. So you play G part 1 and then D part 1, and then you stay on the D and play another 4 full rounds, and you start all around this new chord progression round. So D4, B minor 3, G part 1, D part 1, couple rounds goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, B minor, 3, G, D, D. OneRepublic's Hurts. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Until next time, play tuned.